Alright, good afternoon YouTube. Wanted to do a quick walk around of the electrical system on my 2019 Pro Angler 14. I'm using the Yak-Power system. This is the 5-component or 5-line wireless one. And you can see I got it velcroed in with Velcro straps right to my rod tubes to try to keep all the wiring nice and clean. And this is up in the front under the hatch. So I'm going to close the hatch and show you what all that runs to. Well, I'll try to close the hatch and show you what that runs to. Up front, I have two Nilight floodlights. They're just 18 watts. Moving back into the middle, I used red button lights for Yak-Power. Got two on each side. Red to help with my night vision. Fish finder's not hooked up, but it'll run my fish finder as well. Way up there is my Berleypro, and it's actually on right now during the daylight. Got to turn that off. In the back, under that round hatch, is a Viking adapter plate. And inside that adapter plate are two Nocqua batteries, 10 amp hours each. You can see I have the Hobie thru-hull plug right there, and if you follow that wire up, it runs to the Berleypro connector. Attached right here at the bottom is the clip so that I can plug it up and don't have to worry about it getting in water. Moving on around is the wireless remote for the Yak-Power stuff. So for example, my stern light, which is the Berleypro, was on, and I'm going to turn it off. And that's off. I'll turn on my bow lights. And there's the red lights. There's the red lights that I walked over that you couldn't see. And check out these bow lights. Alright, so this is how I mounted the bow lights. I brought the wire from the Yak-Power control box up through the thru-hull Hobie thru-hull port that we already have on our kayaks, and ran that up into the side plate. On the side plate, this is the end. I just plug it in, and then I got a Railblaza adapter, so they come off as needed. I'm going to get some green ones also that I can aim down and just swap those out and plug those in when I want to light up the ground. And turn everything off. It looks like everything turned off. Yep. So that's my wiring system, less the fish finder. And I still have a port number 2. The previous owner of this vessel had a USB and cigarette lighter adapter plugged in right there. I don't have it plugged in, but that eventually might become my number 2 port on the Yak-Power system.